Together we celebrate the beauty of today that touches our looks and shines our skin every day, that makes us different among the rest. Usually you can depend on a friend you can lean on. Boucher International is the product that cares and touches our lives. Its wellness enhances our beauty, and the product that brings life, that outshines the desires of our heart. Boucher International reduces the aging of time. You look 10 years younger than your age, can truly make a difference on your face in just 7 days. Boucher International is the product that cares and touches our lives. Its wellness enhances our beauty. Boucher, the product that brings life, that outshines the desires of our heart. Boucher can make such difference. Boucher we can depend on, a friend you can lean on. Boucher International. Together we celebrate the beauty of today that touches our looks and shines our skin every day, that makes us different among the rest. Boucher you can depend on, a friend you can lean on. Boucher International is the product that cares and touches our lives. Its wellness enhances our beauty, and the product that brings life, that outshines the desires of our heart. Boucher International reduces the aging of time. You look 10 years younger than your age, can truly make a difference.
People say that when you dream, you might as well dream big. Entrepreneur Conchita de los Reyes held on to her dreams for years as she ventured into all kinds of businesses.
To be very honest, sa taong palengke, in short, nagtitinda-tinda sa palengke. The life that I have had before, I don't know kung sasabihin ko sa iyo lahat dito, but lahat na lang ng klase na negosyo ko na, direct selling. Mga produktong kailangan.
Today, Conchita is living her dream. She sits as the president and CEO of her very own beauty products company, Boucher International. For Conchita, who only finished high school, her road to success was predestined.
I should say destiny, dahil it all started, somebody nag-offer sa akin ng beauty product, tapos maganda naman yung effect na lumabas sa face ko. And nagkaroon ako ng idea na ito yung negosyo magandang pasukin.
The beauty business trades on trust. The market goes for established brands with proven products and good reputation. Knowing this, Conchita invested in research and product development.
Nobody would know that we have a very good product, no? So, we started talaga na nagkaroon kami ng subject, no? O mga pisngi, around 200. Chinaga talaga natin yan na ipagamit yung product natin sa more than 200 faces, no? With different types of skin. Kahit na very sensitive skin, kahit na maputi, kahit na maitim, kahit na may matinding problema pa sa pisngi, like pimples, like acne, like, I should say, pecas or pigmentation, you know what, talagang those problems in our faces or skin, talagang naikikater ng Blueshea product.
She also made the brilliant choice of taking on the southern markets first before going nationwide.
Nung nag-umpisa po ang Blueshea, hindi talaga tayo confident na ilaban yung product natin dito kasi unang-una, hindi pa kilala. Pangalawa, wala pa tayong financial capability or capacity na labanan po yung mga malalaking pangalan sa industriya. No? So, I think it was just a wise move na tumakbo kami sa Vismin.
And with her great selling skills, Conchita successfully conquered the Visayas and Mindanao beauty market. Today, her company carries a whole line of beauty products, all of which are hypoallergenic. Blueshea International products include the Beauty Bar Soap, which cleanses skin and eliminates pimples and skin pigmentation, Beauty Soap, which whitens and moisturizes, Skin Toner, which removes dirt, Clarifying Lotion, which tightens pores and smoothens the skin, Exfoliating Cream, which reduces blemishes and age spots, Rejuvenating Cream, which makes the skin glow, and Age Eraser Cream, which protects the skin from harmful UV rays.
We are operating nationwide and we have 72 branches, meaning, to me kasi, if the product is not that good or very good, I don't think lalawak pa yung negosyo, right?
Blueshea has become so successful that the company now has its own laboratory and manufacturing plant.
Nung nag-umpisa, hindi ko talaga pinangarap na magkaroon kami ng sariling planta. Inisip ko lang na to just sell and get it from other toll manufacturers, no? But God provided us with a plant. Now, owning a plant, of course, yun na talaga yung direction, not to be big in the industry. Though maybe it can be slowly but surely, but yun, iingatan lang talaga natin yung product. And of course, that's the ultimate direction or goal, to be big in the industry.
Blueshea International plans to put up a second plant to accommodate its new product lines, which include laundry detergents and dishwashing liquid.
Nagkaroon lang talaga ako ng pangarap, goal, may dream. Kailangan kong maabot yun. So, isip kung ano, no. You dream, you goal, you work very, very hard. Yung lahat ng bagay, wag mong ipagpabukas. If you can do it now, do it now. No? Yun yung ginawa ko eh. And of course, have faith. Isali mo talaga siya sa prayer. In everything, pray, believe. Manalig ka talaga, yun lang. Yun lang kasi talaga yung pinag-umpisan ko eh. Nangarap ako na kinakailangan maiaangat ko yung buhay namin. So I work very hard for it. Hindi ako sumusuko. Hindi pwedeng pagod, iintinding ko, no?
Words of wisdom from someone who went from hawking at the wet market to the top of the corporate world.